In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Instagram on Squarespace. If your site's Instagram icon isn't pointing to the right place, or you've rebranded your handle, this quick update makes sure visitors can find you with a single click. We'll do this from the Squarespace dashboard, and we'll focus on the social link setting that controls the icons in your header, footer, and anywhere your template surfaces them. Start on your site's home menu, the main dashboard you see right after logging in. On the lower left, look for the gear-shaped settings icon. Go ahead and select that to open the full list of site settings. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the site editor and not in a separate page panel. Inside Settings, choose Website, then open the section labeled Add and Manage Social Media and Email Links. This is where Squarespace stores the URLs behind your social icons. It's the central place for keeping them accurate, so updating it here ensures the change carries across your site. In the Social Links panel, find Instagram in the list and click it to edit. You'll see a field for the URL that your Instagram icon should open. If the list is long, scroll to locate Instagram. You're not connecting a feed here, just telling the icon where to go, so no logins or permissions are needed. Now type your full Instagram profile link. The cleanest format is https://instagram.com, your username. Replace your username with your exact handle and avoid typos or extra characters. Including the full HTTPS helps prevent redirect issues. A quick trick is to copy the link directly from your Instagram profile in a separate tab, then paste it here to ensure accuracy. If your username recently changed, double-check spelling and capitalization, though capitalization won't affect the link. Once the URL looks good, click Save. Wait a moment for the confirmation that your changes have been stored. After saving, your Instagram icon across the site will point to the new address. If you're previewing your site, you can click the icon to verify. It opens your correct profile. If it doesn't update right away on the live site, refresh the page or clear your browser cache to see the latest version. That's all you need to do. By updating the social links setting, you keep your Instagram icon accurate everywhere it appears, without editing individual pages. Keep this same process in mind for other platforms too. When your links change, this is the one place to update them for a consistent professional experience.